Hello from Contentrain development team. Today I'll guide you through your project's overview screen. After you create a new project, it will immediately appear in the listed projects in your workspace. Clicking the Open Project button will take you to that project's overview screen. On this screen, the first thing you'll encounter is activities and releases of your project. The Activities tab lists all the actions taken by users within the project. And the Releases tab is currently under development, and soon you'll be able to view the versions released for your project, similar to GitHub Actions. From the menu here on the left, you can access other sections. The second section is the Content, where you and other project users can create and edit content based on the permissions given. Next section is the Model, where you can create and edit content models for your project. The Assets section is for managing your media assets for your project. And the User section is where you can invite other users to create and edit content for your project. The number of users and permissions available will vary based on your subscription. With the right plan, you can create custom roles and manage permissions as needed. The Webhooks section allows you to create webhooks for your project, and it will soon be available for use in marketing automation. And lastly, in the Settings section, you can make all the configurations related to your project. For more insights on Contentrain, you are invited to view additional walkthrough videos.